What's up everybody, welcome back with Angle 10 Bali. Today I am in, as far as I know, this is halfway, but there is a new sign in here guys, says Kuta Beach. You see that? But a lot of people say that this is a halfway beach because Mamaka restaurant is just right there. Mamaka restaurant or hotel. But the sign say Kuta Beach. A little bit confusing guys. Alright, with all this new project. Okay. And let's go find out what to expecting from here. And that's the Kuta Art March. That's right here. I guess those guys are almost finished from here, and when the building finishes in Kuta, the one they're going to use, they are all this moving to there. But at the moment they're still in here because they still are finishing the building. So the shops are going to be moved very soon, I guess. Yeah. And Mamaka, just right there. I don't know if you can see it, just right there. And something that I'm going to update it to you guys in here. And if you have a kids guys, if you have a kids want to come to Bali, want to do a skateboarding, there's a one in here. They built skateboarding skate park basically right in front of Mamaka. So yeah, if you have chance to bring your kids to Bali, or if they love to play skateboards, there's a one in here. I don't know if open or not yet. We're gonna find out. But it doesn't look like, it's still not open, it's still closed. Okay, the skate park is just right here, everyone. Look at that. Hopefully you can hear me clear. Woo. There we go, that's the skate park. Right in the front of Mamaka. It's so windy guys, I don't know if you can hear me. It's so windy. Right guys, let's go jump to the streets because it's so windy there. So now I'm right in the front of a tribe. I got a stripe, that's Mamaka over there. And Wyndham Garden is just right there, everyone. If you stay there in that hotel, well, this is the area. This is what to expect it from here. And next to it, that is a stone hotel. Wyndham Garden. That's a Wyndham Garden. Alright, there we go. That's the stone hotel right there. Wow, it's so windy down the beach, guys. So windy. Right, it's so windy. If you stay in the Stone Hotel, this is the beach. Right, that's the stone, everyone. Oh, we see a group of people inside there. The construction is still on in here. Yeah, that's the stone. And that's the Alam Kulkul. So if you're staying in Alam Kulkul, I'm going to take you to the beach. If you're new people you stay in Alam Kulkul, this is what to expect it around your hotel, guys. Alam Kulkul. And next to that, a Pullman Hotel. There we go, Alam Kulkul and Pullman Hotel, and I'm going to take you back to the beach. This is your beach in here. Wow, crazy, guys, the wind. The wind. Whew. It's busy though, but full of local. It's all local. The sand is fine. Let's go, keep going all the way to in front of our Pullman Hotel. All the bars are closed. Some of the bars are open there, but most of them are closed, guys, because of the weather. Well, here we go. It's not the best being on the beach. Crazy. Look at those local people in here. Well, there we go, guys. Quick share from here. The real condition from Bali at the moment is too windy. Too windy. So there we go, guys. Quick share from here. All the best if you're coming this month. Get ready for this weather, guys. Get ready. And goodbye for now. Wish you all the best, guys.